Lesson 11.1b, Stem and Leaf Plots. Our learning goal for today is to make and interpret stem and leaf plots. A stem and leaf plot is a display of data that shows the digits of each number. The leaf or the leaves would always be only the last digit on the right of the number. In other words, if you have 32, 2 is the leaf. If you have 41.5, 5 is the leaf. And the stems are the remaining number. The remaining number here would be 3, and the remaining number here would be 41. The stem is just the remaining number after you drop the leaf. Okay, we are going to make a stem and leaf plot. When you make a stem and leaf plot, you first find the lowest number, which would be 16, I believe, and the highest number, which would be, let's see, the highest number on here is 42. So we know we have to have a stem that's a 1 and a stem that is a 4. So you put 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. And then you start. Okay, 16 would be our lowest number. Oh, then we have 17. We have 18, 18, and 19. So you have 17, 18, 18, and 19. Then we have 21, 22, 23, 25, so it's 22, 23, 25. Then we have 26 and two 28s. 26, 28, and 28. Okay, then we go to the 30s, and there's a 31, a 33, another 33, a 34. So a 31, 3, 3, 4. Then there's a 35 and a 38. And let's see, let's get rid of those. And there's a 40, a 41, and then our highest number, 42. 40, 41, and 42. Now you can also do this in the order that the graph gives you the numbers and make an alternate chart, and then you have to go back and put these numbers, you have to put the leaves in numerical order. Okay, then you always make a key. So 3-5 would be 35. Finding the median, you count from the front and then you count from the back, and where those meet you would have the median. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that gets us to the 10th number. And count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's coming the other way. So 8 is our the middle number or the median. So it's 28. The mode is the number that occurs most often. And 18 occurs twice, 28 occurs twice, and 33 occurs twice. So those are all three considered the mode. To find the range, you take the highest number, which is 42, and subtract the lowest number from it, which gives us a range of 26. And there's our first chart. Okay, let's do the next chart. Look, let's find the lowest number would be 51, and the highest number would be 98. So we know we have to have a 5 for the 51, a 6, a 7, an 8, and a 9. Okay, then you go through and you put all the numbers on. And as you do that, let's do it the other way. 86, 51, 61, 75. 51, 61, 75. Then you have 78, 83, and 98. 78, 83, and 98. And then we have an 80, a 90, a 68, and a 90. A 90, a 68, and another 90. You have to put them both down. 85 and 73. So we have 85 and 73. Whoops, that's a little sloppy. 82, 78, and 60. 82, 78, and 60. 59 and 77. 85 and 79. Okay, then we have to make another chart, and we have to put those numbers in numerical order. So we have our 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and the numbers would be, okay, a 1 and a 9, then we have a 0, a 1, 8, then we have 3, 5, 7, 8, 8, 9, 0, 2, 3, 5, 5, 6. We have 0, 0, 8. Okay, our key, of course, 85. So this is the stem and leaf plot. This is our preliminary. Okay, the key is 85. Finding the median. If you come in and count inward to the middle number and then count backward to the middle number, you get to be right in between here. And so you have to take, or I'm sorry, right in between here. So you have to take 78 and 79, add them together. 78 and 79. So we get 157, and when you divide that by 2, you should end up with 78.5. And there are, again, there's 3 numbers that are 2 each. So the mode is 78, 85, and 90. And when we take the highest number, which is 98, and subtract 51 from it, we end up with 47, which is our range. Okay, let's go to the next page and scroll up. Now we're going to interpret some stem and leaf plots. Okay, what was the greatest number of points scored? And that would be 115. How many times did the team score 80 points? There's 1, 2, so that would be 2 times. Find the median number of points scored by the team. That would be the median or the middle number. And when we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, end up here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we end up here. And so this is our median number, and that means 83 is our answer. Okay, let's move this up. Use the stem and leaf plot at the right. Okay, now we're going to be interpreting the number of games won in a season. What was the least number of games won? 7 games. Remember, these are word problems. They need word answers. How many teams won 10 games? 1, 2, 3. 3 teams won 10 games. How many teams won more than 15 games? Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams won more than 15 games. How many teams won from 10 through 20 games? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 teams. Let's see, from 10 through 20. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because this would be 21 and 21. So it's 9 teams. Find the median of the data. So if you count inward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see where that takes us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, here's our middle number. So the median is 10 games won. All right, let's go to the last question. The back-to-back stem and leaf plot, this one and that one, show the ages of participants in 2 yoga classes. Compare the ages of the participants in the 2 yoga classes. Okay, the median, let's look at them. Okay, the lowest age here is 19 and the highest is 37, so the range is 18, and when you take the same numbers here, they go from 18 to 30. Okay, and that's a range of 12. So it looks like class 1 has a larger range. Okay, so their range is larger than class 2. Class 1 has, let's see, 37, 30. Class 1 has older individuals in the class, and class 2 has some younger individuals. And that ends our lesson.